In this video, I will show you how to create a template on Trello. Follow along step by step and you will be able to set it up easily. First, open Trello and log in to your account. At the left of the page, you will see an option called Templates. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you can browse and select any template you prefer. You can also filter templates by categories such as business, design, education, engineering, productivity, and more. Choose the category that fits your needs. For example, I will go with productivity. You will now see multiple template options. Each one shows how many people have used it and how many have viewed it. Click on a template to see a full preview of what it looks like. Once you find a template you want to use, click on Use Template. From here, you can change the title of your new board. For example, I will name mine Creative. You will also see options to keep the cards or keep the template cards. Select the option that works best for you. Finally, click on Create and your new Trello board will be generated based on that template. You can now start customizing it and using it for your own projects. That is how you can create a Trello template quickly and easily. If this video helped you, please give it a like, leave a comment below and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.